Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Uh, Today I'm bring for you a video you will really like. Uh, I'll I will do a spark plugs cables at home from the cable of the electricity. Uh, the cable you use it in the house, okay, but it will be 81 ampere. Uh, let's do it. This is the tools you need, guys, for the cable to replace the cable. Okay, good luck. Before we start, guys, let me show you how the cable looks like from inside, the original one, the stock from the company, and the cable I will use for the car. Okay, this is the stock for the company. Watch here. Can you see it's very thin, very small, and there is many protection on it to not lose electric. Okay, now I will show you now the one I will use. Okay, this is the one I will use. It's the same, we use it for the electricity. Okay, as you see, it's very thick from inside. It's 81 ampere. Okay, see what's the difference. Guys, the performance with this one, it's like 90%. With this one, very weak. My car really is very weak. Okay, I notice very big difference with the performance when I test it. Before I have a mass fire, I think because of some cables very bad, and this one with the new one, it's really just when I change one cable with the first piston, really it's very strong. I notice my car, it's like really rocket. Okay, now let's start. With changing. I will show you how to change it without anyone notice it's changed, or someone playing with that, or okay. Now I will start to cut it. Okay, I will cut to the other side. Okay, see, it looks like the same. No problem with that, you can use it again. And also this one. Now we will need the screwdriver. Just push it inside, and after that take it to the right or left. You see, it will be starting to be far from each other, but be careful to not break this one, the corner. Okay, see, it's already almost burned from the heat. Okay, you can use the razor like that.
you can use the cutter. Now, if you have problem here, you can use you can fix it. If you have it's bend or like that, you can bend it again from here a little, from this corner, if you can see this corner. Okay, it's fine. Now you have to be slowly. Just press on the first one here. Press the other one. Have to check it's loose or not. See, it's very strong. Okay. Now to this one, this side it's already finished. And open it and keep it here to not be mistake with this one. Okay. If you mistake, you will forget. You'll put this opposite side. You'll have problem to notice where is the right place. Okay, now we have to see how long the size, and to make it the same size first. Okay, before we fix. Okay, now we're ready. We cut it from here. Be careful your hand, you will cut your hand if you do it by mistake. Okay. Okay. Now we'll fix this one. Here. You have to check the size first. How long? Only this one. Okay. It's better to cut it from here. Bend it slowly, don't push it very strong, direct. Just let it catch. After that, put it on the corner, on the round. Okay. This round, you have to put it in this round first. Okay, after that, press here, slowly. Press very strong now. Okay. Okay, now again, from the side. Okay. Now one by one, first this side and the next time the other side. Okay, very strong now. Watch. It's already strong, not loose. Okay, here it's very good. Okay. It's already fine here. Now I will put it again in the place. Very easy to do it, not very hard. Okay. Now I will put the super glue. Don't put super glue, just put your finger like that. Okay, slowly on this side. Don't put a lot. Have to catch it in a good place. Okay. Not too long. It will direct. It will be catching. Dry. Not will dry. It will not dry very fast. Depend on your super glue. Okay, now it's already finished. Okay. Don't worry about the place. No problem. Other place. Guys, just be sure before you put super glue the sides it's already right or not. Okay. I need to continue here slowly. Final finish. You have the new cable, but be careful, don't drive very fast, guys. And it's time now to fix it, guys. See, just make it on the middle, make this on the middle. Okay, if it's on the middle it will be fine. Okay. Do you hear the sound? The clicking sound. Okay. Now you have to make it very far from the heat, better to not having any problem. Also here there's a click. Okay, that's good. Make the cables far from the manifold. This one it will be very hot. It will melt it. It will destroy it if it's touch it. Okay. Just to be careful. Okay, now full homemade cables. It's finished. Thanks for watching, and guys, it's safe, but before you fix it, check if there is loose with your distributors from the head of it, and there is no problem with your electricity with your car, and just do it. Okay, and if your cable is very old, just do that direct. Don't think to not do it. Okay, just try it and tell me in the comments.
Okay guys, if you like the video, just tell me in the comments below. Okay, and tell me what you think if you test that, if you do it at home. Okay, see you next video. Bye.